The UK has now approved 3 coronavirus vaccines from Pfizer/BioNTech, Oxford University/AstraZeneca and Moderna. Vaccine rollout has started in the UK, and some 2 million people have now received their first dose of the vaccine. According to Health Secretary Matt Hancock, 200,000 people are receiving their COVID vaccinations every day in the UK. Mr. Hancock also said the government is on track to hit its target of vaccinating 13 million people against coronavirus by mid-February. The approval of their Oxford vaccine last year was significant to the UK vaccine rollout programme, as the UK has ordered 100 million doses of the vaccine. Unlike the Pfizer vaccine, which has to be stored in 70°C conditions to reach maximum efficacy, the Oxford vaccine can be kept at temperatures of 2°C to 8°C. The Oxford vaccine is easier to roll out to patients in care homes, as it can be kept in similar conventional fridge settings for up to 6 months and administered within existing healthcare settings. Clinical trials for the Oxford University/AstraZeneca vaccine involved more than 24,000 participants in the UK, Brazil and South Africa. Phase 3 trials of the Oxford/AstraZeneca vaccine show the vaccine is 70.4% effective on average. Data published in early December demonstrated the vaccine was 62% effective in preventing COVID-19 when administered in 2 standard doses. When trial participants were given half a first dose of the vaccine, and later a full second dose, there was 90% protection against the virus. The vaccine has passed rigorous safety checks and is shown to provoke an immune response in people of all ages, including the elderly. MHRA Chief Executive, Dr. June Rain, said of the Oxford vaccine's approval, "We are delighted to announce the good news that their Oxford University/AstraZeneca vaccine for COVID-19 is now approved for supply following a robust and thorough assessment of all the available data." Dr. Rain added, "No stone is left unturned when it comes to our assessments. This approval means more people can be protected against this virus and will help save lives." The MHRA has approved the use of 2 full doses of the Oxford vaccine. Initially, the MHRA aimed for the second dose of the vaccine to be administered between 4 and 12 weeks after the first dose. However, as COVID cases remain at concerning levels in the UK, the Joint Committee on Vaccination and Immunisation, JCVI, has introduced changes to vaccine administration in the UK. People will still receive 2 doses of the Oxford/AstraZeneca vaccine. However, the JCVI now advises the maximum gap between the first and second doses of the vaccine is 12 weeks. This change has been implemented to vaccinate as many people as possible with the first dose of the vaccine. A statement from the JCVI said, "The committee advises initially prioritizing delivery of the first vaccine dose, as this is highly likely to have a greater public health impact in the short term and reduce the number of preventable deaths from COVID-19. The JCVI added, "High protection against hospitalization was seen from 21 days after dose 1 until 2 weeks after the second dose, suggesting that a single dose of the AstraZeneca vaccine will provide high short-term protection against severe disease. Protective immunity from the first dose likely lasts for a duration of 12 weeks.